Good day, mabuhay! I'm Jewel Joy B. Rivera from TN3B, and these are the sustainability practices and challenges in the Philippines. The Philippines, an archipelago over 7,000 islands, is renowned for its rich biodiversity, coastal ecosystems, and cultural heritage. However, rapidly urbanization, population growth, and climate vulnerabilities pose significant threats to its sustainability. While the nation has implemented commendable environmental practices, systematic challenges hinder progress. These are the practices. First, policy frameworks. The Philippine government has established laws like the Ecological Solid Waste Management Act 2001, mandating waste segregation and recycling. The National Climate Change Action Plan prioritizes disaster risk reduction and renewable energy adoption. Second, renewable energy transition. Projects such as the Burgos Wind Farm in Ilocos Norte and solar farms in central Luzon underscore efforts to shift from fossil fuels. And third, ecotourism. Regions like El Nido and Siargao promotes low-impact tourism, balancing economic growth with environmental preservation. And of course, for the challenges of sustainability in the Philippines are plastic pollution. The Philippines rank among the top contributors to ocean plastic. Urban centers like Manila struggle with efficient waste management, clogging waterways and harming marine lives. Second, overfishing and coral degradation. Unstable practices including dynamite fishing deplete marine biodiversity. Only 1% of coral reefs remain pristine, threatening food security for coastal communities. Third, governance gap. Corruption, fragmented policies, and limited funding hinders law enforcement. Indigenous communities often lack land rights, sidelining their role as environmental stewards. In conclusion, the Philippine sustainability journey reflects a blend of innovation and adversity, strengthening governance, investing in green technology, and empowering marginalized communities and critical steps. International partnership such as Paris Agreement must align with local needs. By bridging these gaps, the Philippines can transform its challenges into opportunities for resilient, equitable future.